Hey, good morning, everybody. In the last class, we have seen the concept of functions, different categories of functions, and the way the main function calls the other function, and parameters for four categories of parameters. Right? So, in this class, we will be seeing uh, local variables and global variables. Okay, local variables and global variables. It's a very small concept. Before we start this concept, let us go with an analogy example. Okay, see here, there are two teams, say a cricket match between team 1 and team 2, and you are supposed to tell which team should win. It's your opinion completely. You may respond in your chat window. The majority answer will be considered as your wish. Okay. Say we start with India and Pakistan. Your wish. Yes, I know 100% of this class is India. Okay. Now, what if the match is between South India and North India? So your answer will be South India because you belong to South India. Now the match is between Andhra and Tamil Nadu. Now, yes, it is Andhra because you all belong to Andhra. Okay. Now, East Godavari, West Godavari. Yes, your answers. Yes, your answers are popping up. West Godavari. Very good. Expected answers. Now in West Godavari, if a cricket match is in between TPG and TNK, that is Tadepalgudam and Tanuku. Yes, now different answers. All people who belong to Tadepalgudam want Tadepalgudam to win, and people who belong to Tanuku want Tanuku to win. So, a mixed opinions. So far, you are all united, and now you are divided. Fine. So, let us take it for granted for TPG. Now, SVEC in Tadepalgudam, SVEC and SESI. Which team do you want to win? Obviously, you people belong to SVEC. So your answers will be or are SVEC. Okay, again you got united. In SVEC, CSC or EC. Yes, your answers are CSE because you all people belong to CSC. So you want CSC to win. Now in CSC, whether you want A section or B section, again you people got divided. Okay, people belong to A section will respond it as A, and people belong to B section are giving answers B. It's up to the C section to decide or to judge the right team. Okay, so let us take it for granted A. So itla చెప్పుకుంటా పోయాను అనుకో. At some point of time, I will land at either your own brother or cousin brother. And obviously, you will be telling your own brother. Okay, so this is called local thinking or local feeling. So is it a good practice to think local? Yes. No, not always. So why do we think local? Yes, we think local because we feel insecure. In other words, if you need security in your code or in your block of code, you need to use local variables. Okay. Okay. But it is always good to think global and act local. You need to think global and act local. I would have appreciated you if you gave me answers in this way. Sir, the team which played better or best should win, no matter whether it is India or Pakistan. The team which plays best, which maintains the sportive spirit, standards of cricket, entertains the audience, gives the best efforts to win, should win. If that is your answer, it means you are thinking global. But your answers are completely region specific. At some point of time, it will be relative specific too. So, suggestion, think global, act local. You people will say India should win, but you don't. After after 3 years, you work for American dollars. It's okay. So let us get back to our concept. So here, local variables and global variables. So what are local variables? Local variables are the variables that are declared within the block. So open brace to close brace is called a block. If the variables are declared within this open and close braces, we call them as local variables. Okay, and the default value is garbage value. Okay, garbage means telugulo chetta, some unknown value. Okay, and scope is within the block. Visibility within the block. So in the last class, I have covered the scope and visibility. Scope, how far you can make use of the variable. How far, enta duramu, with respect to region. ఏ ఓపెన్ బ్రేస్ నుంచి ఏ ఓపెన్ బ్రేస్ వరకు నువ్వు ఆ వేరియబుల్ యూజ్ చేసుకోగలవు, అది స్కోప్ అండి. హౌ ఫార్, ఓకే, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు రీజియన్. విజిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ హౌ లాంగ్ ద వేరియబుల్ హోల్డ్స్ ది వాల్యూ, ఎంతసేపు విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు టైం, ఎంతసేపు వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూని హోల్డ్ చేసుకుని ఉంటుంది, అది విజిబిలిటీ. ఇట్స్ లైక్ యువర్ లైఫ్ టైం. ఓకే, సో స్కోప్ ఈజ్ హౌ ఫార్, visibility is how long. So here the scope of local variable is within the block. You can use the local variable only within the braces, and it can hold the value only within the limits of this braces. So it is completely a local variables. Now we will see global variables. What are these global variables? Global variables are the variables which are declared above main function. Above main function. These variables are accessible throughout the program, which means to all the functions. Okay. So the default value is, you can raise your hand at any point of time. Okay. Default value is 0. And the scope is throughout the program. Similarly, visibility is also throughout the program. Visibility is throughout the program. So, as you know, C program is nothing but a collection of functions where one function is mandatory and that function is main function. If you are declaring your variables above the main function, all those variables can be used in all the functions in the program. Say your program has got 50 functions. Out of that 51, one function should be main. You can use that global variable in all the 50 functions. The scope is throughout the program. And even visibility, how long a variable holds the value. It holds the value throughout the program. Okay, so this is the thin line difference between the local variables and global variables. Okay, so we'll use it in our program. I'll explain you a small program, very small program, the concept of local and global variables. Okay, before we get into that, see here. Okay, before we get into the program, let us have a small analogy example again. Okay, no, there are twin cities. Yes, what are those twin cities? Yes, it's Hyderabad and Secunderabad. What are the twin villages? Yes, what are the twin villages? Yes, it is Pedatadepalli and Chinnatade. Okay, our college is located in Pedatadepalli, and adjacent to this village is Chinnatade. So there are two villages. Okay. Say there is a person called Rama in Pedatadepalli and Krishna in Chinnatadepalli. Say an unknown person, his name is say Pavan. He came from Nalajarla. He is Pavan. Okay. He came from Nalajarla and he went to Pedatadepalli and inquires about Rama. Can he get the information and address of Rama? Yes, we will get the information and address of Rama because Rama is available in Pedatadepalli. The same person, Pavan, went to Chinnatadepalli and inquired about Krishna. Yes, he will be getting the details or address and information of Krishna because he is available in that village. This is case 1. Okay. Now case 2. What if the Pavan reaches Pedatadepalli and inquires about Krishna? Can he get the information? No, because there is no person in Pedatadepalli with name Krishna, so he cannot get the information. Okay. Or if this Pavan reaches Chinnatadepalli and inquires about Rama, can he get the information of Rama in Chinnatadepalli? No, because there is no person called Rama in Chinnatadepalli. Okay. అంతేగాని పవన్ ఏదో పెదతాడేపల్లి కృష్ణ గారు వెళ్ళి అక్కడ అంటే మా ఊర్లో కృష్ణ అనే వ్యక్తి లేడు చిన్నతాడేపల్లి వెళ్ళాడు అని అంటారా? లేడు అని చెప్తారు అంతే, రైట్? అంతేగాని పక్క ఊరు వెళ్ళి అడగండి అక్కడ అడగండి ఇలాంటివి లేవు. సేమ్ ఇస్ ద కేస్ హియర్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కేస్ 2. ఓకే, కేస్ 1 యు ఆర్ getting the right information. Case 2, you cannot access the person in one village in another village, or you cannot get the information of one person in other village. Okay, fine. Now case wait a minute. Now we'll see case 3. In case 3, what if this Pavan had been to Pedatadepalli and inquires about Satyanarayana? Is there a person called Satyanarayana in Pedatadepalli? No. But he will be getting the information of this Satyanarayana. Who is this Satyanarayana? He is an MLA for the Tadepalligudem constituency, which means there is no person called Satyanarayana in Pedatadepalli. So obviously, the people of Pedatadepalli will be thinking that he is referring to their MLA, right? If the same person goes to Chinnatadepalli and inquires for the same Satyanarayana, since there is no Satyanarayana in Chinnatadepalli, so the people of Chinnatadepalli will be thinking that Pavan is referring to their MLA. So they will give his address, sir. Go to town. You can find his address at so and so location, right? Because this person is known to all the villages under his conscience. He need not be in that conscience, but he is known to all the villages and towns in his conscience. So he is like a global variable. And Rama is a local for Pedatadepalli. Krishna is local for Chinnatadepalli. Whereas Sachinarayana is global for all the functions under his conscience. I'm sorry. For all the villages under his conscience. So this is case 3. Okay. Now the final case, that is case 4. What if I'm sorry, there is a small technical issue. Yes, we are case 4. Now say there is a person called Sachinarayana in Pedatadepalli, as well as there is a person called Sachinarayana as an MLA for all the villages under his conscience. Now what if this Pavan reaches to Pedatadepalli and inquires about Sachinarayana? So whether the people will give the address of the local Sachinarayana or the MLA Sachinarayana? Yes, local Sachinarayana. So the priority is always for local. లోకల్గా లేకపోతే అప్పుడు వాళ్ళ మైండ్లోకి వచ్చే ఫస్ట్ థాట్ గ్లోబల్గా ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా పేరుతో. ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్. సో if the local variable is not available, then it will check globally. Even if it is not available as a globally, then it will throw an error. So ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతేనండి. So here if a Pavan goes to Chinnatadepalli and inquires about Sachinarayana, since there is no Sachinarayana in Chinnatadepalli, the people of Chinnatadepalli will be referring to or giving the address or information details of this MLA Sachinarayana. Okay, but here the case is different. Here there is a local person with the same name. Okay, have you understood this thing? Respond in your chat window. 4 cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Good. Now we will see a small program on this. Okay, after seeing this small program, you should get a doubt. I'm expecting a doubt from you at the end of the program. Okay, see here, there is a small program, a static program. There is a global variable a declared above the main function with value 20, and a local variable x within the block with a value 50. And this is one more function call. In this there is a local variable p with value 100. Okay, now this is one function and this is another function. Okay, in this function x is local variable and in this function p is local variable. Now what am I doing here is I'm printing the global variable value, the local variable value, and the local variable value of other function p. ఈ p ని ఇక్కడ కూడా ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాను. And in function call the same thing, a global variable a and a local variable of other function x and a local variable of same function p. So let us see whether it executes or not. I'm calling that function. Yes, it is throwing an error at line number 10, p undeclared. So at line number 10, p, it means that the main function don't know who p is. When I'm retrieving this p value, it will check whether it has been locally declared or not. If it is not locally declared, it will check whether it is globally declared or not. Even if it is not declared as globally, so it's an error. Okay, it's like I don't know p. Who the hell are you? Okay. Similarly, at line number 21, you can see x undeclared at line number 21, x undeclared, which means there is no local variable x, there is no global variable x. In that case, who this x is? The function call doesn't know what this x is. Okay, so it is not declared. So it's an error. It's as simple as my case 2. What if a Pavan goes to Peradadapalli and inquires about Krishna? There is no Krishna in Peradadapalli. What if the same Pavan goes to Chinnatadapalli and inquires about Rama? There is no Rama in Chinnatadapalli. It throws an error. But it will not say it has been declared in so and so function. Chappadan. It will throw an error. I don't know who he is or what that variable is. You haven't declared that variable in my function. So I couldn't read through the value. It's as simple as that. Undeclared. Okay. So remove that statement. So call doesn't know who x is, and the main function doesn't know who p is. Okay. Now we will see the output. There is a warning call. It's okay. I should have declared a function prototype. Okay. Because here function name is call and it returns nothing. Void call. Okay. Prototype has been declared. No issues. So let us see the output here. So in main function, okay, a equal to 20. In main function print ayindi a equal to a. A local ga unda ledu, global ga unda undi, enta 20. Simple. Similarly, x equal to local ga undi 50. Fine. Call and a function call chesanu. Next, in sub function a equal to a declare ayinda local ga ledu, global ga declare ayindi. Una, so a global ga unna 20 access ayindi, print ayindi. Now p equal to p local ga unda undi, value 100. So p equal to 100 is output. Very simple program on local and global variables. Very beginning program. Now case 4, case 1 explained, case 2 explained, case 3 we have seen now itself, and case 4. What if the name of the local variable and the name of the global variable is same? Which means here global variable name is a, and let this be a again. So the name of local variable and the name of global variable is same. Now what will be the output? Is no way. Yes, you can see here in main function a is 20 and x is local variable 50. Okay, a local ga ledu, local ga lenappudu global ga undi, global ga declare ayinatundi a lo unna 20 print avutundi. x local ga undi, then value anta 50 print ayindi. Next function call chestundi a value and ikkada local variable, a local variable pair kuda a ne 100 anu. In sub function a is anna. So ikkada a lo unna 100 access avutunda, global ga unna a yokka 20 access avutunda. Yes, local ga unna a access avutunda. Okay, so a is 100. In main function a is 20, but it's sub function a is 100 because priority is for very good local variable. Yes, now I am expecting a question from you. Yes, anybody? Out of 200 students, I am expecting a question from you after this example. This is a small example and functions. Okay. Yes, very good. I got that question. Sir, is there a way to access this global variable in call function? Is there a way to access this global variable in call function? No way. It is simply bypassing. Okay. In C, it is not possible, but in Java, it is possible using, this keyword. Maybe in inheritance, you may use a super keyword also. But all those are OOPS concepts. If I and you are fortunate enough, we will be learning that in 4th semester, Java programming. There you can. Okay. But here, if the local variable name and global variable name are same in that function, you cannot access that global variable in that function. So it is always suggested not to use local variable name same as that of global variable unless necessary, or it is your requirement. If your requirement is like, global variable should not participate in my function, then you can declare the local variable name as global variable name so that the global variable will not interfere with your code in that function. But if you want the global variable to participate in your function, then make sure the local variable name should not be same as that of global variables names. The 4th case is very important, and your doubt, very good. So that's all for today. We will see in next class. We will see some more programs in next class. Like I'll be playing with these global variables. I will change the code, the way I call the function, the way I send parameters, and I will change the data types, return types. The stuff begins in next class. This is very small concept, an introduction class on local and global variables. Just to make it, interesting, I took this, small stories just to make it interesting. Don't consider it as nonsense. Okay, it's okay. Yes, if you have any issues, please let me know. Now you can execute this program at your home on your online compiler. Take here I took static values, right? You take runtime values like printf, scanf, ivrasi, మీరు read చేసి check చేయండి. Tomorrow we will see in-depth concept of local and global variables. Every program will be like predict the output kind of. Okay. So as of today, no issues. Okay then. Okay. I think I am very slow. It is your introduction class. So should I need to increase the speed or should I need to decrease? Fine. It's okay. Thank you.